Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 isn't lasting more than 5 minutes, you're likely facing a battery issue. This is a common problem, often caused by battery wear and tear. If left unresolved, it can lead to a completely non-functional device, leaving you without a reliable cleaning solution. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery for the Dyson SV10, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring the device is switched off and unplugged. Then, carefully remove the dust container from the main body of the vacuum. This will expose the screws that hold the casing together. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back of the device. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any internal components. Now, locate the battery. It will be situated near the bottom of the vacuum and is usually secured with a couple of screws. Carefully unscrew these and disconnect any cables attached to the battery. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is free, take your new replacement battery and connect it, ensuring the cables are securely fastened. Then, reattach the screws to hold the battery in place. After this, carefully put the casing back together, making sure all clips are aligned properly and that no wires are pinched. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the casing tightly. Finally, reinsert the dust container and turn your Dyson SV10 back on to test if it now holds a charge. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum and avoid overcharging the battery. This will help maintain its longevity and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.